Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Titu's class. Today our English grammar topic is describing words. So what are describing words? क्या होते हैं ये describing words? Words that describe nouns are known as describing words. जो word noun को describe करते हैं, noun के बारे में बताते हैं, उन्हें हम describing words कहते हैं. Describing words are also called adjectives. इनका दूसरा नाम adjectives भी है. The words that tells us about shape, size, colors and feeling of the naming words. ये वो words होते हैं जो कि हमको noun के, naming word means noun के shape, size, color और feeling बताते हैं. Let us see some examples. इससे आपको easily clear हो जाएगा. First one, there is a white flower in the garden. So, what is the color of the flower? White. So, I will underline white. Second one, I saw a huge elephant in the zoo. Size of the elephant? Huge. So, I will underline huge. The marbles are blue in color. Again color. Blue color marble. So, I will underline blue. I like to drink hot coffee. Feeling hot or cold, गर्म या ठंडा, हमने क्या महसूस किया? Hot. So I will underline hot. He is happy. Again feeling happy, sad. So I will underline happy. Now some worksheet. Choose a describing word and fill in the blanks. First one. It is a picture of a whale. Options are also there. ऊपर option है sweet, soft, long, big, small. So whale is a big animal. So I will write big whale. Second one, apple. What is the taste of apple? कैसा स्वाद है? Sweet. So I will write sweet. Now the picture of a snake. Snake is a small animal? No. Big? No. Long. So I will write here long. Fourth one, bread. How the bread is? कैसा होता है? Hard or soft? Soft. So soft bread. Fifth one, ant. What is the size of ant? Small. So I will write here small. Now the next question. Choose the correct option. First one, Rani opened her dash umbrella. Tasty or red? Umbrella tasty होता है क्या? नहीं. So Rani opened her red umbrella. Second, this is my dash dress. Old or high? What will come? Dress can be high. No. This is my old dress. The bag is dash in color. Huge is a color? No. White is a color. So the bag is white in color. Fourth one, Rita is a dash girl. Beautiful or cold? Can a girl be cold? She is a beautiful girl. Rita is a beautiful girl. My cat has dash tail. Four tail? Cat has four tail? No. My cat has short tail.